That's got to be one of my favorites.
I think this is actually really impressive from a manufacturing perspective as well.
Yes.
So what series is this?
So this is part of the new Figure-rise Labo series. So Labo in Japanese, they tend to shorten a lot of words. So Labo stands for laboratory.
Yeah.
So it's almost like their experimental division, I guess. So they've played around with a lot of technology in making multi-layered molds.
Yeah.
And that's how they've gotten the this very smooth graduation with the very thin suit, particularly the orange. So you can actually, it looks sheer.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll quickly have a look
Absolutely.
at that. So I'm going to do an open box video on this as well, which is going to go into a bit further. But I'll show you the really impressive parts. So let me see that. So this is the torso. Okay, so you got a chest here, down to her abdomen here. These are the sides. There's her back. I think, no, that's the other side. And that's her back there. We can just see her butt. Okay, and if you have a, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see the really smooth graduations. Because basically what they've done is they molded the flesh first, and then the yellow goes on, and then the clear orange is put on top. So that's how you get all that different.
Definitely.
Yeah, the other thing that's really impressive is this part here. I'll do it here. Let's see if I can do it over the black section here. So the face, all the eyes are actually molded in colored plastic.
Okay, because of there we go.
Okay, let's try and get rid of those reflections. So yeah. So you see eyebrows and things like that. The eyebrows are actually the brown part that was already molded. So quite often these dolls, they'll have all this printed, and all this will eventually come off because you rub it all off. This will never rub off because it's actually part of the plastic. And this is 1, 2, 3. That's 3 colors as well. And then you've got the eyes, and the eyes are actually a follow me type eye. So they've got a very deep pupil. They've got reflections molded in there as well. So that when you move it across, it actually looks like she's still looking at you. Impressive. Which is a little bit creepy, but I don't know.
Definitely is.
I don't know. I wouldn't mind.
But you wouldn't be unhappy to have this one looking at you.
No, not at all. So there you go. So that's Asuka from Evangelion too. So I'm sure a lot of Evangelion fans are out there. I mean, as you see it on the box lid here, this has been unpainted, so you can get this finish straight out of the box.
Yeah, as is.
Yeah, amazing. So that's one of it. Yeah,
it's representing really well.
So all the color separation.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, really good.
Nice.
Yes,
very nice. All right.